Hello everyone, I am Chelma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. In previous class, we are completed up to 30 problems in level 2. Now this is 31. See the question what they are given. The area bounded by the curves y is equal to f of x-axis, and the ordinates x is equal to 1 and x is equal to b is b minus 1 into sine of 3b plus 4, then f of x is, this is a question. So area already given, that means so they are asking f of x is equal to derivative of, here b minus 1 into sine of 3b plus 4 is there. In place of b, take the function x, d by dx of x minus 1 into sine of 3x plus 4. Do the differentiation, you will get f of x function. Okay, students. So third option is correct. Here we are applied UV rule. Question number 32. The area bounded by the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square, and the line x plus y is equal to a. Here x square plus y square is equal to a square means the center of the circle is origin and radius is a. So draw the coordinate system, x-axis and y-axis. The point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis, origin. Now x plus y is equal to a given. That is, convert into intercept form. X by a plus y by a is equal to 1. And equation of circle given, x square plus y square is equal to a square. Here center is origin and radius is a. This is a, this is also a. And draw the line. This is a line. X by a plus y by a is equal to 1. In between these two, this is a required area. Students, how to find out required area? Tell me. Required area, that is equal to 1 by 4th of area of circle, 1 by 4th of area of circle minus, this is a point, this is a b point, minus area of triangle OAB. Then we get that shaded area. 1 by 4th, what is area of circle formula? Pi r square. So here r means a, pi a square minus area of triangle OAB. How to find out that area? Half into base into height, a into a. So here take by observing the options, take a square by 4 common, remaining we get pi minus 2. This is the answer. Students, which option is correct? A square by 4 into pi minus 2. Second option is correct. So what I am done here, this part is 1 by 4th of area of circle. And I am eliminated this part. I am eliminated this part. So we get this is. Yes or no? This is 1 by 4th of area of circle minus area of triangle ABC. I am eliminated this. Now the required area is that is. Students, all of you understood now? if two circles of unit radius intersect orthogonally, then the common area of the circles is two circles of unit radius intersect orthogonally. The common area of the circles. They're asking common area of both the circles. But first draw the circles. This is one circle. Next, take another circle. Now these two circles intersect orthogonally. Okay. Now intersect orthogonally means you know very well angle between the two circles is 90 degrees. The first circle center is this is, second circle center this is, and unit radius given. So join these two. This is the radius of the circle, and this is also radius of the circle, and this is, and this. Okay. Now this is A, this is B for suppose. This is the center of the first circle, this is center of the second circle. Here radius is 1, here also 1, here also 1. That means ABCD form a what? Square. But the required area is this. This is the required area. And by observing the first circle, see this is one sector. This is one sector. Yes or no? This is a C, this is a point, this is a B point. And radius of the, here radius is 1 unit, this is also 1. Then what is the angle between them? It's form a square now, angle is 90 degrees. So here we can write like this, required area that is equal to area of arc ABC, ACB, or anyone you can write, plus area of arc ADB. This is, so that means the shaded area is 2 times repeated. So we need that shaded area. So do one thing, subtract area of quadrilateral ABCD. So if you are taken sector area, this is 1 and another one is like this. Okay, these area is repeated twice. So one of the time we want to eliminate. That's why total I am going to eliminate that area of ABCD. Okay. So what is the area of arc ACB or area of arc ADB? Both are same. So I'm writing here. What is the formula? Half into r square theta. Here r value is 1 unit radius. Theta is 90 degrees. Now r square theta plus half r square theta minus, what is the area of square here? 1 in, that is a 1 square. Now finally see that half pi by 2 into half pi by 2, that is how much, students? Pi by 2 minus 1. This is the required area. So fourth option is correct. The area bounded by the curves y is equal to log x, y is equal to log mod x, and y is equal to log mod x and y is equal to mod log mod x. Here first to draw the diagram, then you will understood easily. So this is coordinate system. So I am drawing that one by one. There are 4 curves. The 4 curves are like this. This is one. This is another one. This is one more. And this is. Okay. Now see this, we can draw carefully like this. So we need, this is a shaded area. This area we need. But observe here, the total area is symmetrical about x and y axis. Find out one of the part, totally divided 4 equal parts. Okay. Now required area that is equal to 4 times integration one of the part. One of the part means I am taking log x dx. What are the limits? This is 1. This is minus 1. Take any one. I am going to take this 0 to 1. This is origin, you know very well. 0 to 1 log x dx. Now 4 into, what is integration log x? X log x minus x. Limit 0 to 1. Substitute upper limit, then what happened? If 1 substituted means it is going to 0, minus 1, minus. Substitute lower limit, you will get negative. So substitute lower limit, you will get 0. But here we are getting negative, minus 1 answer. So that's why put modulus. Area is always should be positive. So what is answer now, students? 4 into minus 1, that is 4 square units. Fourth option is correct. Area bounded by the curve xy square is equal to a square into a minus x. This is the curve. How to do this? And y-axis given. Xy square, that is equal to a cube minus a square x. Here separate x value. Minus a square x and left hand side and take common. You will get y square plus a square. That is equal to a cube. Here a is constant. X is equal to a cube divided by y square plus a square. Okay, students. Next, how to do this? How to do this? If y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, then what is x? Tell me. Y is equal to 0 means x is equal to a. This is one point of intersection, a comma 0. Now see the diagram, then you will understood easily. Now I am taking that this is the point. This is the point a comma 0. In place of y, any value substitute here, you will get positive only. The y value is either 0 or positive or negative. Any value, you will get answer is positive only, and intersecting the x-axis at point a comma 0. That means the curve is like this. The curve is like this. This is the curve. Okay. Now, this is a required area. Required area. And see that the area is symmetrical about x-axis. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. This is horizon. Students, are you understood the graph? In place of y, substitute any real number. Here y square is there. That's why you will get positive only. If you are taken y is equal to 0, x value you will get exactly a. So that's why I am taken this point. Now, how to find the area? Required area. Required area. The total area is symmetrical about x-axis. 2 into integration 0 to infinite x dy. 0 to this 0. Where is infinite? It's going up. Now 2 into 0 to infinite. What is x? That is a cube divided by y square plus a square dy. Now a cube is constant, take outside. Remaining, observe that integration 1 by y square plus a square dy. What is the formula, students? 1 by a into tan inverse of y by a or not? Tan inverse of y by a. And what are the limits? 0 to infinite. Now substitute the limits. Substitute the limits. Here, 1a is cancelled. We get 2a square. If tan inverse of infinite, that is pi by 2, minus tan inverse of 0, 0. So the total answer is pi a square, because 2 is going to cancel. So fourth option is correct. The area enclosed between the curves y square is equal to x and y is equal to mod x. Students, how to find this? What is the diagram? So we need to identify. First, y square is equal to x and y is equal to mod x given. That meaning is y is equal to plus or minus x or not. Y is equal to x and y is equal to minus x. There are two straight lines. Draw the diagram, then you will understand easily. So this is coordinate system. This is origin. Y square is equal to x. There is parabola. This is, and y is equal to x. Y is equal to x means this is the line. Y is equal to minus x. This is another line. This is y is equal to x. This is y is equal to minus x. And the curve is y square is equal to x. Here observe that required area, this is shaded area is required. But see here, two different areas are there. Different or equal? Two equal areas. Now, required area that is equal to 2 times integration. What are the limits here? Here origin means we know that 0, 0. Then what about this point of intersection? I am expecting that 1, 1 only. Substitute in both the place, in both the curves, it is satisfying or not? Now integration 0 to 1, upper curve minus lower curve. 0 to 1 means what we want to take, x values or y values? Any one, both are same only. If you are taken x values, upper curve is parabola, lower curve is straight line. In this direction you are observing. For suppose this direction you are observing means upper curve is straight line, lower curve is parabola. So I am going to, which method you want, students? Okay, take limits x values. upper curve is y is equal to root x. That means x power 1 by 2. Lower curve is x. Simplify this, you will get the answer easily. What is integration x power 1 by 2? X power 1 by 2, that is x power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 minus integration x dx x square by 2. Limit 0 to 1. Now here 2 into substitute upper limit, you will get here 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 2. If you are substituted lower limit, you will get both zeros. Now here 2 into what is LCM? 6. 4 minus 3. Overall observe this 2 into 1 by 6. 2 into 1 by 6, that is 1 by 3. Students, which option is correct? Fourth option is